was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have two very special little guests with me today. I have my daughter Skylar and her friend Claire, and today we are going to be baking together. We are going to do a really easy tiger butter fudge. So I have everything all laid out, and they have the giggles today. They are going to help me today. First things first, I had them wash their hands. They have their aprons on. We are all ready. Okay, so here are the ingredients that you're going to need for the tiger butter fudge. Again, really easy. We're not going to bake it. All you have to do is prepare it and then put it in the refrigerator. So the first thing you're going to need, you are going to need some Rice Krispies. Then you're going to need Nestle Toll House semi-sweet morsels. You're going to need Premier white morsels, and then you're going to need butterscotch morsels. You are going to need a 13 by 9 pan. It can be glass or it can be a metal pan, and then you're going to need any type of foil. So the first thing, Sky, you're on it. The first thing I need you to do, I need you to measure out 1 cup of chocolate chips. So take that, measure out 1 cup of chocolate chips in there.
So the whole thing?
Yeah, yep, so here's 1 cup. Measure out 1 cup in here. And then Claire Bear, I need you to measure out a 1/2 cup of butterscotch chips. So here's a 1/2 cup. So measure 1/2 cup and then put it in the bowl. Okay?
How do I pour the whole thing? Well, not the, like in the...
Yep, to fit in the cup.
Yep.
Okay. Perfect. Okay. All right. Good job, Claire. So we have the butterscotch chips.
Yes.
We are still waiting on Skylar.
I can't get it.
Go ahead and pour 1 cup in here.
Like that. Okay. Got it. Is that?
It has to be a whole cup. Okay, that's good. Good job. Okay, now I need one of you to measure out Rice Krispies. This could get messy. I need you to do 3. Why don't you let Claire do it? 3/4 of a cup. So if you can pour them into 3/4 of a cup right there.
How many times?
3/4, just 1. So we're gonna take a cup like this, and we're gonna measure it to 3/4 of a cup.
Not the best cereal box filler, but don't worry. Boy. That's over 4 inches.
That's okay. Over 4 inches. Okay, we have to do a 1/2 cup of peanut butter. I am gonna do this because I think it might get a little messy.
No,
what do you
I
think?
can do it.
Think you can do it?
Yeah. Boss baby got it.
Boss baby's got it. Okay. Okay, so here, take this and take, you want to fill it, 1/2 cup.
So.
Okay, so 1/2 cup. So,
Is there another thing?
No, let me show you. Take this. Just take like a big scoop. Okay, watch out. Okay, and then just go like this.
Claire can do that one. Or you. Okay, you do it.
Okay, and then let me do a little more. Alright, so there. That is about 1/2 cup. Okay, so now we have all the ingredients. We have the chocolate chips, the butterscotch chips. We have we're going to use a whole entire package of the white chocolate chips. We have the peanut butter, so we are good to go. So now, according to the directions, and don't worry, I'll be sure to include the recipe down below. The first thing we want to do is we want to take the semi-sweet chocolate chips in the microwave safe bowl, heat it in the microwave until melted for about 1 minute. So let's go ahead, take these, and I will put them in the microwave. Okay, while that's in the microwave, while that's heating up, what I'm going to do is you're going to have a 13 by 9 pan, and you're going to take a piece of foil, and I'm going to place the foil in the pan. Okay, now we have the chocolate chips melted, and we are going to place this to the side because we're not going to use them quite yet. So let's place it to the side. And Sky and Claire, what I need you to do, Claire, if you could take the butterscotch chips And then Sky, if you could take the white chocolate chips, and let me open them for you. If you could pour these in the bowl, the whole thing, and then Claire, when she's done, if you could pour those on top.
Down here?
Yep, pour it on top. Perfect, perfect. Little bakers here. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to take this, we want to microwave it, and we want to melt the chocolate. So put it in for about 1 minute and 30 seconds, and then you have to stir it and put it back in for another 30 seconds until it's melted like the chocolate. Okay, you can see pretty much melted. So now let's stir. Okay, so it's gonna look like that. I need Claire to take the Rice Krispie treats and pour them into that concoction. Good job. And then I need Sky to take the peanut butter and put it in here.
Okay.
Okay.
This is good.
Or you can do this. Take it.
Wow.
So what you want to do is just kind of stir it. Yep, let me just help you a little bit, and then you can stir it. Okay, and once you feel like it's stirred and ready to go, what I want you to do you feel like it's stirred? Okay, so you have your dish right here, 13 by 9. You have it lined with foil. So then I need one of you to hold the bowl and one of you to pour it in here. So you want me to hold it here? Let me hold it.
I'll hold it.
Or Claire, you want to take the spatula and then pour it in there.
Can I hold it?
Yep. Good job. Okay, perfect. Yes, you're a little baker. Okay, so get all of
Scott, you
it.
want to do the rest? Sure.
Okay, you want to get the rest? Okay, good job. Doesn't it smell good? Make sure you get all of it.
Okay.
Good. All right, now what we have to do, we have most of it out. So then let me go ahead and I am going to spread this out in the pan. So see, like this. Spread it out, and we want to make sure that it's like a rectangle. It will be a rectangle. You stinker, it will be.
I said it's not the size of the pan.
I know, it will be, because it's going to be a thin. As you can see, this is what it looks like now. This is kind of the tricky part, so I will let them help, but what you want to do, you want to take the chocolate, okay? And you want to take it and just spoon it, and I'll let you guys do the next part. Spoon it like this. It's okay if it's messy, in diagonal lines, okay? And you can use all of it. I'll do this part, but then I'll let you guys do the next part. Okay, this is kind of why it's called tiger butter, because you're giving it its tiger stripes. See what I did there, girls?
Yeah.
Okay, so do this. Just so you guys know, you are on camera, so I do see you eating those. All right, so let's do a little more. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you don't have to use all of it. I don't find that I need all of it, but right now it looks like this. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a plastic knife. So Claire, you wanna take it, hold it, and what you're gonna do, I'll show you, you're gonna pull it like this. So here, okay, so you're gonna pull it in the opposite direction. Yep, exactly. Yep, pull it in the opposite direction. Good job. Did you wanna try one too, Sky? Okay, good job, Claire Bear. All right, now Sky, you try it and do this part and pull it in the opposite direction. Okay, yep. And we don't want to like mix it together, just pulling it, and it's going to give it the tiger butter stripes. Do a little over here. Right, this is what it's gonna look like. Now what I'm gonna do is you're just gonna cover it with some plastic wrap. You're gonna put it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes and then you can cut it up and it is ready to eat. So we're gonna go ahead, put it in the refrigerator, and then we will come back to you very soon. Okay guys, the Tiger Butter Fudge is all ready. I had it in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes. So this is what it's gonna look like when it's done. And then one thing I like to use, this is something I got from, this is Martha Stewart, and it's actually a brownie cutter, but it works really, really well to cut the fudge. So this is what it looks like, and now we are going to have you ladies test it out. Skylar, you want to have the first bite? Sure. Claire will have the first bite, and then let's give Sky one. What do you guys think? You just break it apart, and then you just kind of put it in here, and you can store it in the refrigerator. So there you go. You want the bigger one? Okay, let's taste it. What do you guys think? Got it? Okay guys, well thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that what?
Subscribe button.
If you're new to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. I'd love to have you join me over there. Thank you guys so much for baking with us. I hope all of you are doing really well and staying safe, and we will see you in my next video. Have a good one, you guys. I mean Claire.
I don't know how to do that.
It's gonna be a thin. The Tiger Butter Fudge is all ready. I had it in the refrigerator about 10 minutes, and it looks like this. 10 to 15 minutes.
Right when we turn it on. That's more like it.
I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure about myself when I met ya.